Welcome to a Nerf video. Do you want to die? Nerf style. I thought so. Today you will die by a blade. Tomorrow by a gun. Then before you die, I'll play your favorite song for you. I'll play one song for you called Die to Live from Volbeat. You will love their song. You will die to live. Let's watch this new video, shall we? This is known as the Nerf stockade. It's got a nice stock on it. You could put the stock on any weapon that has a stock attachment to it, like the Retaliator, the Recon CS6, the Nerf Modulus series, which I'm wondering where the other Modulus is. Crappy gun. Alright, Modulus, where are you? Nerf Modulus weapon's gotta be around here somewhere. Just give me a sec. I lost that Nerf Modulus weapon. The one that frickin' Brett gave me. Well, I can't find that one. But I have found this sitting in my closet. The Nerf Vortex Proton, white one and the green one. I just found out I can find the discs now. They have them again. Disc shooters have been re-embellished. You can go buy them at Target. Ow, that fucking hurts my arm. Rough Cut 2x4 Battle Camo series. The only Nerf gun that I have that's a camouflage gun. Because I can go throw this in the snowbank and I won't be able to find it, which actually is pretty stupid. Me throwing this out in the snowbank. the Ghost Ops Mavic Rev 6. Broken handle, but it's the Ghost Ops. Still shoots. Strong arm. Modded. A modded version of a Recon CS6 has been painted by my ex-friend, by someone not ex-friend, by somebody that I knew. They painted it for me. They painted it. Was a nice yellow gun, but someone had to paint it. And they were kind enough to leave me a bullet. That's like when the painted. Nope. Just a blue dart. Ah! I missed! I still missed! Ghost. Dang it, come on! I want that attachment off it! I gotta walk away. The Ghost Ops Evader. Watch this. Lights off. Now, you see me? Now you don't. You can't see me? Now you can. You see me? Now you don't. What do you think of that experience? Deploy with a CS6 that's gonna shoot you, BAM! Square in the head. Uh-oh, I just lost my head. Watch, ready? BAM! I got no head. Deploy with the CS6. Time to get a drink. The Nerf long shot with dual CS6. One here and one in the back. You can also take the barrel off and make it shorter. The Mega Centurion. Just got this gun working this year. About that. The Cronus 500 ball shooter. It shoots foam balls, and I have one. I'll show you. There it is. I think I have some in here. Yep. Here's a foam ball shoot. The foam balls. Squishy, squishy. The Nerf Wrath Bolt shoots foam arrows. Not bad. This is known as the Nerf Crossbolt. It's a Nerf crossbow, but this one shoots actual Nerf bullets. What I didn't understand about this one. That frickin' attachment sucks. The Nerf Retaliator with a CS-12. Excuse me. I'll take the chicken. Got some chicken for some dinner. God bless me. The Recon with a CS6 dual. One's in the front, one's in the front, one's in the back. Right on fire. Falcon EBF 25. Alright, showed you the Cronus 500. The Alpha Hawk sniper rifle. Boom, you're dead. The Nerf Stratohawk with the CS-25. This is the Rapid Strike renamed. The Rapid Strike with the CS-18. This is the Rapid Strike. Here's the Stratohawk there is barely no difference to these two weapons. The only thing that's different is just the color and the clip size. And the name. Oh yeah, and I can do this too. Seriously. Roto Fury. Mega Roto Fury. My mistake. Put that gun down. Well, down to the smaller guns now. Nerf Double Down. To me, it's a sawed-off shotgun with ammo bullet holders. It actually fires. The Nerf Rebella. Use that bullet. Nerf Nightlight. Nerf Dark Tag. You're not worth it. Sorry about that, but touching the bullet out. Blue Dark Tag weapon. There's another one out there. There's a red one. I got the blue one here. Nerf Triad EX3. It's supposed to shoot 3 bullets at once. And my last weapon of the night. The Double Strike. Double Strike pistol. And it actually looks like an actual pistol. Looks like a revolver. So, you ready to die? Nerf style. Thanks for watching this Nerf video. Now die. I said die. Alright, fine, you wanna die?